Hey Lawn Dogs, Floyd and Tyler with Ulnar Lawn Care, ulnarlawncare.com. Hey, we're heading to the graveyard, but I want to talk to you about something here in a little bit before you watch the footage. So stick around and we'll be right back. So guys, what I wanted to talk to you about was Rob from True Allegiance Flag Company on YouTube. Rob is a member of Mowers for Vets. He's one of my board members, and his son is 5 years old, and his son just got diagnosed with leukemia. So Rob's had a rough year. I believe he had another cancer issue earlier this year. I don't quite remember the details on that, but I do know his son is going through it right now. So what they're gonna do, there is a GoFundMe page. The link's in the description, along with the link to the Facebook page. To his son's Facebook page where you can follow his progress. Also, this Saturday on DLT Lawn Care, Shane is doing a fundraiser event where all proceeds go to Rob and his family. There'll be a PayPal link that they shared. Shane will take nothing, and I know a lot of people think Shane's a little shady. I want to let you know he's done 2 fundraisers for me, for Mowers for Vets, and not one time has he screwed me over. So Shane is legit. When he does this, he's true to his word. So go there Saturday, find it. DLT, link to his channel is in my description too. So you'll have links to everything you need to find. Excuse me, everything you need to find in the description below. But it's a good thing. You know, he's 5 years old. The kid probably doesn't even really know what's going on. But for a kid to have leukemia and have to go through 2 years of treatments, that's got to be rough. I couldn't imagine. I wouldn't put that on my worst enemy. Cancer kind of hits everybody. You know people with cancer? Yeah. Yeah, I've known people with cancer. Some have won it, some have lost it. The battle. It's not fun, so I couldn't imagine. So anyway, hey. Ulnar Lawn Care made their donation already. I can't be there for the fundraiser Saturday night, so I made my donation yesterday on the GoFundMe account. But anyway, I just want to get that out there, let you guys know. To all my followers, go check it out. Hit all the links. Like I said, Shane's links below, DLT, the Facebook and the GoFundMe page. I don't have the PayPal link. That'll be on Shane's Saturday. So anyway, well, we're not quite to the graveyard yet, but we're almost there, and we're gonna go get mowing. Our season's about done with mowing, man. We're already pretty much doing fall cleanups. Not fall cleanups, but leaf pickup, I guess. You know, go around the yards, keeping them clean, keeping the leaves picked up. Next week we start our fall cleanups. Well, yeah, next week, November, and we'll be done by. Well, I think the schedule has us wrapping things up by the 20th. Clean the equipment, put it away for the year. Wait for snow to fly. So, excited for Michigan snow?
No.
No?
No.
Why not? We have great snow here.
It's gonna be cold.
I'm telling you, I was colder in Colorado because of that wind than I've been here. I mean, granted, when the wind blows here too, it's cold.
Yeah.
But all right, guys, here's some footage, man. We're gonna get this graveyard knocked out. Tyler's gonna ride on the Kubota. Let's hope we don't take out any tombstones. Don't take out any tombstones, man. Their asses will haunt you.
All right. So hey, lawn dogs, I think he's getting a lot better. Stripes are getting a lot better too. If you can see over here where there's less tombstones. Man, before he was all over when he first started doing it, but yeah, he's getting a lot better. Also, I think the biggest thing is he's starting to take his time a little bit more. So I also know that he gets nervous around these tombstones, which I do too still. Anyway, hey, this is pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to get that information out there about the Rob and his son. So it's out there. I'm gonna be up in the woods this weekend hunting, so that's why I'm not gonna be able to be on that live Saturday night on Shane's DLT. But if I get back in time, I guess I'm coming home Saturday night. So if I get back in time, maybe I will, but we'll see. But anyway, hey, go check it out. Donate if you can. No kid should have to go through what this kid's gonna have to go through. But anyway, hey, remember, always give maximum effort and be kind to everyone. Floyd, I'm out.